Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn all 12 English tenses with fun and simple examples. So let's begin. Present simple. We use the present simple for habits, routines, and general facts. Example: I brush my teeth with my cat every morning. He holds the toothpaste. Present. Continuous. We use the present continuous for actions happening now. Example: I am dancing in the kitchen because my coffee was too strong. Present perfect. We use the present perfect for actions that started in the past and are still connected to now. Example: I have lost my keys again, so I'm climbing through the window. Present perfect. Continuous. We use this for actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Example: I have been watching cat videos for 3 hours. My homework is still waiting. Past simple. We use the past simple for actions that happened in the past. Example: yesterday I met a penguin in the park. It was wearing a red bow tie. Past continuous. We use the past continuous for actions happening at a past time. Example: I was reading a book when my parrot started singing opera. Past perfect. We use the past perfect for an action that happened before another past action. Example: I had already eaten dinner before I saw the pizza. Past perfect continuous. We use it for longer actions in the past before something else. Example: she had been painting for hours when her cat walked on the canvas. Future simple. We use the future simple for actions in the future. Example: I will travel to the moon as soon as I find my space boots. Future continuous. We use the future continuous for ongoing actions in the future. Example: this time next week, I will be swimming in cheese. Swiss cheese. Future perfect. We use the future perfect for actions that will be finished before a point in the future. Example: by 8 p.m., I will have finished all my homework. Maybe. Future perfect continuous. We use it for actions that will continue up until a point in the future. Example: next year I will have been learning Spanish for 5 years, but I still only know hola. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice every day. See you in the next video.